Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the fourth in a series where I am taking 5 different advent calendars, opening up one day at a time, doing it in advance because I'm donating these to a nonprofit, and I'll put information about that in the description box down below. First calendar is the OPI one. And this color is called Princess Rule. It's a pink, almost micro glitter, kind of iridescent-y color. Very pretty. Next is the NYX Calendar. And this is a highlighter. There was a highlighter on day 1 too. This is called Cinnamon Spice. Pretty. I don't know that I use a lot of NYX highlighters, so it's nice to kind of see these. Next is the Body Shop. Well, this is kind of a womp womp Body Shop. This is an emery board nail file. I don't like that. I want something more to be able to give away. But it's been good so far, so we'll see how it continues. Next is Feel Unique. Feels like a tube of something. Ooh, Glam Glow. This is the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment Mask. And last but not least, from Space & K. This is heavy. Kristoff Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste. So this is looks like a volumizing hair paste. So yes, that was day 4. Thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.